Truist Financial versus Charles Schwab Bank. Which is better? In this video, we'll compare Truist Financial and Charles Schwab Bank to help you decide which bank is a better fit for your needs. Links to both banks are included in the description for your convenience. Truist Financial, a major U.S. bank, offers a comprehensive range of services, including personal banking, mortgages, loans, and wealth management. Truist is well suited for those who prefer a traditional banking experience with the convenience of both in-person and online banking. With a broad physical branch network across the southeastern and mid-Atlantic U.S., Truist is ideal for customers who want face-to-face interaction alongside robust mobile and online banking options. It also offers tailored services for businesses and individuals, providing specialized solutions for each customer's financial needs. In contrast, Charles Schwab Bank is primarily known for its investment services, but also offers personal banking products. Schwab offers high-yield checking and savings accounts with no monthly fees or minimum balances, making it a strong contender for customers looking for straightforward, no-frills banking. Schwab's mobile and online banking experience is streamlined, making it perfect for tech-savvy customers who prefer managing their accounts digitally. While Schwab does not have a wide branch network, its online presence is incredibly strong, and its customer service is top-notch. Schwab is ideal for those who already have investment accounts with the firm and want to consolidate their banking and investment needs under one roof. Additionally, Schwab's focus on low fees and excellent customer service makes it appealing to those who want to avoid the traditional banking fees associated with larger institutions. When deciding between Truist Financial and Charles Schwab Bank, it comes down to your banking preferences. Truist is better for those who prefer a mix of physical and online banking with a full range of services. On the other hand, Charles Schwab is perfect for customers who want a simple, fee-free banking experience combined with investment services. For more details, be sure to check out the links in the description.